Oh, now then, I'm reporting from my partially finished man cave, miniature man cave even. Just taking a break, busy day today. Put this side up, you can't see it now. Put that side up later on. And the window frame, I'm also burning. Let's have a look. Burning all that rubbish there and all that wood over there. So I'm just having a little bit of lunch, some Greek yogurt, raspberries and almonds and a cup of tea. I've got 3 fence panels on the way, so I'm getting there. It's Wednesday, hopefully by Saturday it should all be finished. Apart from the roof, because I've got to take the roof off my garage. But I might get that done, you don't know. So this is Owen reporting from the Miniature Man Cave, his first official meal. Oh, it's red hot. All go. Right, there's my fence panels and fence posts, but that's for another day. To continue, get rid of all this today, burn this, and the next job is to do the cladding up the side of there. That will be my next job, and I will time lapse that because I like a time lapse. Right, so that's that cladding done there, but I've run out of cladding now. So what I'm going to concentrate now is doing this window frame here. It's coming on. Right, well that's burning. I've got a piece of glass, I'm going to measure it for the frame for it. Oh, when will it end? When will it end? So much a bit of scene here. Beautiful day today. Right, that glass 17. Let's do it. 18, 24. 24 by 17. Imperial, that is. So that's what we're up to. Get the door on tomorrow. The rest of the cladding, maybe the roof. Who knows? Let's get some tea.